Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay. Today I want to talk about something. You're gonna see the same area because I'm doing both videos at the same time. Um, I would like for people that does not plant to start planting. People who is not preparing themselves to start preparing themselves, especially Puerto Rico that don't have nowhere to go. We surrounded by water. And if there's no way for them to bring in food, we are stuck. Very, very stuck. This Hurricane Maria showed me a lesson. And I was glad that I was blessed that every time by this time I always start saving the carton, the milk carton, the water carton, all that. I save it. I don't throw it out. And I start saving them because when the hurricane season come, when they say the hurricane is coming, I already got my filtrated water. I already have a few those half a gallon containers. That's what it is, and I put them in the freezer. So for whatever meat that I still have, I could keep it going, and we eat that meat first. You know, the only thing I'm worried about, I sent to buy rechargeable batteries. That's what I mean. Rechargeable batteries. I sent out to buy 12 rechargeable batteries, and I haven't got it yet. It's been months, and my husband keep complaining we haven't got the chargeable batteries. Very sorry. We'll be sending it to you. And then they just correct again. Did you get it? No, we have not got it. They should give us another extra one for waiting. So what I'm gonna have to do is save some money and start buying chargeable batteries. Buy rechargeable batteries because they last long. One time I was without, I call it, without the radio, and you're alone in the dark. It's very stressful, and I couldn't hear the radio. I remember that I had in my drawer, I had 2 rechargeable batteries that I charged like 8 months ago, but I have faith that it might work. You always try everything. So I put it on. It was brand new. It didn't look like it was, like the time made it waste the charge. It didn't. So I still got those 2 big ones and 2 little ones. I'm gonna need to buy more because it's very stressful when you get out with no light, no water. You drink hot water. You see darkness. And as soon as the day goes down, you start seeing darkness. And it really hurts your soul. It's okay if you're used to this. I'm not, and it's okay if the person is healthy, could move around like in the daytime, go and do their thing and whatever. I don't, and it's even harder for people who are, how you call it, bedridden. Some of them died because they needed machinery to work, and it didn't work. So what happens? Many people died because they didn't have no light. Many people died because of the necessity that they needed water. They drank the wrong water. They got sick. Many of them because they bought a soda somewhere and they drank and they had rat's urine. And what happens when you have rat's urine and you consume it? You start getting sick and you die. There's a few of those that died from drinking waters and stuff like that. So what I'm asking is, always be prepared for the worst. For the worst. Don't wait until you think it's not going to be that bad. No, for the worst. And, and I'm just saying that God, how you call it, stop whatever hurricane is coming our way. That He takes it to the water and let them fly all over in the water and then die. That no island in the Caribbean get touched by these hurricanes because they're getting big, very big, and it's very scary. So saying that, God bless you all, and please take care of yourselves here in Puerto Rico and out there in the States, because I know you guys got also other problems. We got Hawaii, what has happened. We gotta pray for all this, for Hawaii, Venezuela, Puerto Rico, United States, and all. because the United States is a great country. I think it's a great country, and I'm glad that this island is part of the United States. We just got to make it a state. That's the only problem. But hi, Koi. They have been pretty good to us, you know. So that's okay. So God bless you all, and until next time. Bye bye.